Lady Gaga ruffles a few feathers in a floaty dress. The singer, 35, wore the off-the-shoulder blue number for an appearance on Jimmy Kimmel Live. But as well as making a splash outside the New York studio, Gaga caused a bit of a stir with her interview. She told host Jimmy, 54, that she got through the long days filming House of Gucci by drinking 4 times the daily recommended amount of coffee. Gaga, who played Patrizia Reggiani in the film, said, "Think 24 espressos in one day, 1 every hour. And I ate my way through the set. The pizza was so good.